These are our top list of best mobiles you can buy in 2024 from Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, and more. Shopping for a new phone in 2024 presents a variety of choices with exceptional features. Whether you're in the market for a high-performance all-rounder or a budget-friendly professional-grade device, there's an array of smartphones catering to different preferences. Leading the pack is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, acclaimed for its stunningly vibrant 6.8-inch AMOLED display, solid battery life backed by a 5,000 mAh capacity, and an impressive suite of AI features. It's a strong contender for many due to its versatile appeal. For gaming enthusiasts, the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't disappoint, boasting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, enhanced with generative AI capabilities. But the iPhone 15 Pro Max gives it tough competition. It is the latest and most advanced smartphone from Apple. It has a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with promotion technology, which adapts the refresh rate up to 120 Hz for smooth and responsive performance. The display also supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and always-on features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the Apple A17 Pro chip, which is a 3nm processor with a 6-core CPU, a 6-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The chip delivers fast and efficient performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI applications. Best smartphones to buy in 2024. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro Max aren't your only premium choices. For more top-tier smartphone recommendations that could be your perfect match in 2024, explore our comprehensive list. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max for $1,599. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for $1,419.99. Sony Xperia 1 Wii for $899. OnePlus 12 for $599.99. Google Pixel 7a $499. Google Pixel 8 Pro $999.99. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra $904. Asus Zenfone 10 $599.99. Nothing Phone 2 $619.99. And Motorola Moto G8 2 $179.99.